Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix a stuck pixel on your Xiaomi G27Qi monitor. So to do that, first of all, I just want to mention that there is no guaranteed method to resolve this issue other than getting your monitor repaired. However, in most cases, pixels can be unstuck using a simple software solution, which is pretty obvious. You just have to go to YouTube and check for stuck pixel fix video. There are plenty of them. I think the longer one you use, the better. Now, I also warn you that these videos are not photosensitive, people friendly. So I would just leave the room for the time while this test is working. So yeah, it's gonna just, so you just put this video on a full screen and then you start playing it for an entire hour. It will trigger all the, oh my God, it will trigger all the colors on your screen at a very high speed, and eventually your stuck pixel may get unstuck. And this is a simple solution. Other than that, I recommend just reaching out to Xiaomi Customer Support service. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.